Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer. It's of course up to you. Then find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick Mary. Then let's tap on edit. So this icon right in the middle. And tap on this edit icon. Sorry, not edit icon, the profile picture. And now we can either choose the photo from the gallery, so from the pictures that we've previously taken, or we can tap on take photo and your device will immediately open the camera app so we can take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. And I'll choose this option as I do not have any photos. So let me just take a photo of this plant, let's say. Here we've got it, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And now, in this step, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the position of it. And thanks to it, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Tap on the tick icon again to confirm, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.